What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Cape Town, South Africa. What time is it? It's 11:53. Good morning from Cape Town, South Africa. Guys, we're going to go over Cardano. We bounced off the level of support that we had given here on the channel. We're sitting at $2.82. We're up about 7% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 90.55 billion. 24-hour volume is 8.16 billion, guys. If you guys are new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So just a quick drink of juice. I put in a wine glass today. Maybe I'll be like one of those corny wine connoisseurs. Aromas of extraordinary grapes. And the leaves of Spain. Those guys are so corny. Would be absolutely exquisite with a stoic blue cheese and a medium rare ribeye. Those guys pull that stuff straight out of their bums. All right, guys. So we're going to go over ADA. So we can see here we came back to $2.35. Very, very close to that level of support I had dropped in for you guys. And we bounced, and we've just absolutely exploded. We had our descending channel, broke to the upside, and that target was met perfectly. So that was a juicy little trade opportunity here of about 6%. Now, I did enter a trade for Cardano for ADA. I'm making some juicy gains over on Bybit. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. It's my favorite leverage trading platform. And one of the main reasons is if you use limit order and you use post only, there's no fees. They pay you. Where Binance, they're charging you in fees, and eventually those fees could feed a small child. So don't be selfish and sign up to Bybit. Like my marketing. All right, guys. So you can see here on the hourly, we are beautifully holding the support of the EMAs. Now we are in price discovery here. So we have a bull pennant. And if you draw out your flagpole here, will bring you right up to about $3.08. And it's very, very close to the 1.272 extension. And guys, you know what happens if you get back above the golden ratio? Say it with me, guys. Gives you a strong chance of going back to where you came from and reaching the 1.272 extension, which is up here at $3.15 for ADA. But we'll get into that a bit later. I want to start here on the 1 hour. So we have broken out of our bull pennant here. We're currently back testing it as support. I'm just going to put this right here so you guys can see, and I'll open it up so it's more visible. We do have a small bearish divergence. You can see the price has risen, and here on the hourly, the RSI is falling, but these can take time to play out here. So your next target here is $3.08. So I'm going to jump over into the 4-hour time frame, and what we're going to do here is pull our Fibonacci. I'm going to take the RSI out quickly. Hope you guys are well. Hope that the pets are healthy and that you are doing something extraordinarily awesome today. And if you're not, then just give someone a hug, because that can make you feel extraordinarily awesome as well. So we can see here, guys, if I take my Fibonacci from our previous swing high right here, actually, let's move it up because we had a little bit of correction here. So we're going to take our Fibonacci from this previous swing high down to our swing low. So this could act as a levels of resistance. Now it may not. We may just blast through it because we've already blasted through the 1.618 extension here. But you could give a little target here at about $2.90. However, I would honestly just wait for your breakout target up at $3.08 because ADA just absolutely pumps. When Bitcoin sees some green candles, ADA just starts going to the moon. Extremely juicy pump we've been seeing here for ADA lately. So we're going to hop over to the daily time frame, and I'm going to take this Fibonacci out. It's a little bit distracting, as well as these past levels of support here. And I'll take this $2.90 out as well. So I'm going to pull the RSI back up once again, guys. RSI. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this Cardano pump. Are you making some juicy profits? I would love to know. I had a couple of friends message me on Instagram, and they're like, Jax, I sold ADA back at $2 and I'm really depressed. And I'm like, why? Why don't you just buy back in, you silly human? Okay, guys, I'm just going to quickly change this back to white here and enlarge it. All right, sorry for the delay, guys. My deepest apologies. So here on the daily, we do have to keep an eye on this. I think eventually we're going to see a major correction in the market, and as well for ADA, because look on the daily, guys, we're extremely overbought and we're having quite a large bearish divergence. We created a high, we created a significantly higher high and a pretty significantly lower high on the RSI. Now, if ADA were just to pump to the moon and the RSI were to come back up and break this high, would be incredible in my opinion. But we do have to keep an eye on this bearish divergence. We do have to keep an eye on the fact that we're starting to get overextended on the daily here. And if we pop open the weekly chart for ADA, for Cardano, and as you can see, we've just shot up past the moon and we're headed for Pluto here. And beautiful to see us in price discovery, but eventually, you know what happens, guys, when you get overextended, you start to break away from the EMAs, you correct. All right, guys, we got overextended, we corrected. We're overextended right now. We're starting to see a larger gap in between the EMAs. So eventually we will see one of those larger corrections where we could see ADA come down, you know, 20-30%. But as of right now, we are looking healthy for continuation. You just have to keep an eye on these divergences. What ADA does is it pumps and it consolidates, and it pumps and it consolidates. So just pumped right now, and we're seeing it. Who the hell is calling me? Are you serious? I'm making videos right now. Usually I would have my ringer off. Oh, it's my dad. Sorry, Dad. Crypto. All right, guys. So do keep an eye on $3.08. That is our breakout target. If we were to see a little bit of correction here, and we invalidated our pattern, I'm sure we'd find support here on the EMAs. As you can see here, we've been beautifully holding the 1 hour, but I think there's a good chance of us continuing up to $3.08 and $3.15. If we look at Bitcoin, currently we're getting very, very close to that 50,000 level of resistance. We may see a little bit of consolidation, hit a little bit of resistance, but we do have a target up at 51,348. And that's when you'll see ADA continue to these price targets, in my opinion. All right, guys, if we were to see a hard correction, I highly doubt it, but you can just drop in your previous swing high down at about $2.64. All right, guys, so that's it for ADA. I hope it brought you some value. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Make sure to smash that like button. It goes a long way. I should say that at the beginning of the video. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, guys, peace. Much love.